All right, your final lesson, for grade 10 for level 2 music. We're going to talk about da capo, dal segno, and coda phrasers. So we've I'm sure you've seen these before in your music. We've played music that has these terms. Da capo. When you see it in the music, it's abbreviated to the DC, and it's an Italian term that means from the beginning, or literal translation, capo meaning head, the top. From the head, it's used to direct the musician to go back and play from the very start of the music. Dal segno is another term which can be used instead of da capo, the DC. Often abbreviated to DS, and is used to direct the musician to a specific section of the music, a specific point in the music. It means literally from the sign, dal segno, from the sign. And it means to go back to that symbol, that funky looking S with a % sign, and play from this point again. Then a coda is an added section at the end to complete the music. It can be as short as a single bar, or it can be quite long, and its symbol is right there. It looks like a 0 with a cross through it. Fine is the other term you need to know, because sometimes the music does not end at the very end, the very bottom of the page. It means finish or the end, and it's used to signal the place to stop after the musician has done a jump back to the beginning or a jump back to the sign. So you'll have four different possibilities. Del segno al coda, del segno al fine, da capo al coda, da capo al fine, and of course you can figure out the translations as they go, because you know what da capo, del segno, coda, and fine each respectively mean. At the bottom, just some practice doing this stuff. Practice drawing the coda sign, sure. Practice drawing the segno sign, no problem. In this piece of music below, how many measures are actually played, including all repeats? One little question. Navigate your way through this music. Make sure you follow the road map, you follow the markings, and give your answer right there. Okay, that's it for this lesson. It's basically knowing the terms, most of the terms you already know. Da capo, del segno, and coda. All right, last lesson, all done. Now it's time to get ready for that fantastic exam. Happy studying.